watch at all times because we're social distancing ourselves.
Do we have to do this much longer? I'm lonely.
Sorry, but we're going to have to do it for a while.
That's okay, I guess. I have my music to keep me company.
So when it comes to social distancing, step one is to stay home. The whole idea is to avoid getting other people sick, and you can do that by avoiding other people. So only leave your house when you absolutely have to.
Wait. Are you saying I can't play my Mega Zoo concert tonight?
Sorry,
I can't work out my non-existent biceps at the gym?
you cannot, for multiple reasons. But think of it this way. By not getting the flu, you're preventing other people from getting the flu.
Helping other people. Yeah.
Now, of course, there are times when you do need to leave the house. Maybe you need to get groceries, or walk the dog, or go to the doctor. In those cases, you should do what we discussed earlier, the 7-foot rule. If you have to be around other people, make sure to stay 7 feet away from them at all times.
Wow.
That way you don't accidentally spread anything to them, and they don't accidentally spread anything to you. Don't forget to wash your hands.
If you're lucky enough to have them, of course.
How far did I say we had to stay from one another?
7 feet.
Correct. So please back away from...
No! 7 feet!
Huh? Oh, no! Would you do something to help?
Sorry, Pam. I gotta stay away from you, remember? Otherwise, I totally would.
Ah!
Wow! Now that's some social distance.